recount, saga,
legend,
migration,
anthropologist,
archaeologist, ancestor,
Polynesian,
Indonesia,
flint,
rot,
beast,
census,
acre,
content,
spare, spider, insect,
enemy,
devour,
crop,
herd, fraction,
engaged,
authority,
estimate,
Britain,
Matterhorn,
alpinist,
pioneer,
summit,
attain,
perilous,
shudder,
court, solitary,
impoverish,
alpine,
flea-ridden,
course,
boast,
parishioner,
shepherd,
linen, solid,
safe,
commission, opaque,
lotto,
slipper,
blindfold,
Russia,
detect,
vision,
perceive, bundle,
curious,
scientific,
institute, ministry,
elbow,
carpet, sensitivity,
leave, fundamentals,
glorious,
splendid, rub,
identity,
dreary,
commitment,
mean,
devotion,
cosmic, suburban, conceited, presumptuous, fatuous,
cliché,
goodwill,
cricket,
inclination, contest,
orgy, deduce, competitive,
patriotism, disgrace, savage,
combative,
behavior,
absurd,
principle,
bat, strictly, utilitarian,
appreciation,
obstruction,
elapse,
hull, interval,
receipt, apparatus, shoal, herring,
cod,
squeak,
extraordinary, slaughter, fit, grace,
tariff,
standard,
dialysis, electrocute, eliminate,
accord,
device, pact, foul, razor, negotiator,
optimistic,
espionage,
Danish, minstrel,
wandering,
harp,
ballad, acrobatic, conjuring,
thither,
Dane,
slack,
conqueror, casual, precaution,
proceeds,
assemble, trivial,
prolonged,
commissary, episode, epic,
harry,
assail,
skirmish, silicon,
integrated, circuit,
Californian,
workstation, chip,
newsletter,
Macintosh,
penalize,
customize, spawn, thrive,
anarchy, oriental,
constitute, drove,
innovator, forge,
memory chip,
Kansas,
Missouri,
oppress,
justification,
cheat,
abject, ignoble,
impersonal,
ego, recede,
increasingly, passionate,
painless, justifiable,
vitality,
weary,
current,
account, cash,
check,
debtor, creditor,
obligation,
complication, debit,
specimen, forgery, adopt,
facilitate, mineral,
boring, derrick,
hall,
rotate, geologist, cylinder, strata,
circulate, gusher,
forecast, speculative,
blizzard,
deteriorate,
multiply, cascade, turbulent,
squall, eddy,
grid, sensor, humidity,
meteorologist,
Princeton,
mu,
Jersey,
fluctuation,
deviation,
secrecy,
Effectiveness.
inquiry,
positive,
process,
patent,
agent,
engage, fellow, degree, fundamental,
particularly, obtain, extent,
enter,
undertaking,
physiological,
maximum, consideration,
descendant,
artificial,
impose, dimension, skyscraper,
tenant, civilized, banal,
luxury, deprive, monstrous, edifice,
toxic, ceaseless,
throng, settlement,
enterprising,
settler,
antipodes,
promiscuous,
abandon,
overrun, devastation,
burrow,
susceptible,
virus,
myxomatosis,
infect,
epidemic,
mosquito,
carrier,
exterminate, ironically,
bequeath,
pest,
pestilence,
confine, domesticate, porpoise, mariner,
shark, formation,
dolphin,
unconscious,
beaver, ashore, waterlogged,
scent,
ensue, intrigue,
indignity,
snout,
shove, aquaplane,
oceanarium,
swoop, belly,
equilibrium, butt, crack,
speculation,
literally, odd,
tissue,
plausible,
hypothesis,
Electroencephalograph.
electrode,
scaly, psychiatrist, punctuate,
jerky,
disorder, implication,
saliva,
digestive,
defy, analysis,
prey,
fierce, tussle, carnivore,
vertebrate,
lizard, concoct, potency,
conversion,
arsenic, strychnine, mamba,
cobra,
venom,
neurotoxic,
viper, rattlesnake,
hemolytic,
Viperine.
supreme, protagonist, outlaw, frame, vicious,
mythology, vanish,
absurdly,
arena, encroach,
Indian, bewilder,
alien,
taboo,
disinherit,
undeclared,
hypocrisy, chicanery,
impending, immolation, code,
loom,
manifest,
morality,
communicate, compound, enhance, tempo, trickle,
torrent,
Humanity.
indifferent,
grim,
whimsical, shatter,
twofold,
albatross, sustenance,
glider, harness,
endow,
fly,
gale,
partridge,
like,
propulsion,
utter,
slip,
adverse,
omen, intense,
aesthetic, realm,
serenity,
undeniable, indefinable,
vulgar,
radiance, intimation, unutterable,
invest,
emotion, rouse,
conclude,
gateway,
gleam,
dazzle,
convey,
bray,
flare,
amid,
indigestion,
interpret,
significance,
auditory,
inadequate, plea,
abatement,
discredit,
allegation, caption, wreck, snag,
anecdote,
slander,
persecute,
squadron,
psychiatric,
diagnosis,
orphanage,
preservation,
silt, scavenger, vole,
decompose,
inaccessible,
crevasse,
Siberian,
paleontology,
Saber-toothed.
venture,
bog,
galleon,
Stockholm.
flagship, imperial,
hurricane,
might,
ferment, ornament, riot,
demon,
mermaid,
cherub,
zoomorphic,
ablaze, portray,
drifting,
churn, pennant,
superstructure,
armament, triple,
mount, bronze,
cannon, majestic, muzzle,
freshen,
list, port, ordnance,
heave, starboard,
counteract,
steepen,
ballast,
inrush,
Baltic,
skeptical,
forefather,
fervent,
curative,
astronomical, tangible,
remedy,
ointment, prescribe,
indisposition,
disgusting, inconvenience,
hovercraft,
cushion,
ring, sensation,
dune, plantation,
hover train,
Vehicle.
range,
resistance,
vessel, jet, surface,
smoothly,
Atlantic,
navigation,
sounding, porcupine,
dredge, expedition,
physicist, magnitude,
topography,
crust, rugged, tableland,
sediment, terrace, erode,
colorblind,
perception, comprehend,
spatial,
visualize, reminiscence,
tadpole,
mushroom, carrot, bud,
lark, ladybird,
bulrush,
controversy, dust,
clash,
inquisition,
perspective,
despise, generalize, undercurrent, theoretical,
potentiality, intimate,
familiarity,
culpable,
Aristotelian,
Aristotle,
spiral, nebula,
leaning,
scratch,
contrivance,
distort,
Purchasable.
preacher, defendant,
outlook,
capacity,
means, hamper, savannah,
democratic,
tribal, tribe,
illiterate,
compulsory, deem,
Juvenile.
delinquency,
adolescence,
slur,
adolescent,
disloyalty,
spiteful,
disillusionment, evaluation,
infallibility,
resent,
sincerity,
Victorian,
retreat,
unreasoning,
authoritarian,
cow, hub,
lunar, oxygen,
Apollo,
Accelerate.
terrestrial, permanently, fascination, senior,
chasm,
canyon,
industrial,
solar, fuel, gravity, orbit, fantastic,
dweller,
cousin, revolutionary,
colonist,
decisive,
voyager,
enthusiast,
Everest.
disunited,
correspondingly,
backward, incur, administer, administrative,
analogous,
overheads, initiative,
checker,
foreman,
dividend,
unduly,
likelihood,
infant,
vulnerable, imperceptible,
robust,
organism,
thermodynamics,
steep,
aging, odds,
virtual, moot,
Run down.
friction,
contamination, sanitation,
sewage,
leakage,
intermittent, carbonated, acidic, alcohol,
disinfectant, sterilize, ethanol,
Bactericidal.
Negligible. Methylated.
confess, inspiration,
Cashmere.
interweave,
afresh,
discern,
indescribable,
blur, yeast, fathom, interminable,
winkle,
incidentally,
pertinent,
flirt,
inmost,
Signature.
infinity,
Ray.
energize, rhythm,
transmit, exquisite,
phenomena,
crest, trough,
vertical,
horizontal, actuality, catastrophic,
particle, maturity,
undulate,
tremor, gravitational, technique,
tough,
resentful, assign,
mahout,
calf,
pine, underline, keep,
subservient,
plunge,
tame,
tether, ticklish, alarming,
accompaniment, soothe,
chant, reinforce,
endearing, epithet,
Blandishment.
lash,
curl,
earthquake, slumber,
9-pin.
rigid, delicate,
Seismometer. Penholder.
legible, drum,
wriggle, bluebottle,
graph, graphic,
longitudinal,
transverse, mercury,
Hydrogen.
prevailing,
astronomer,
unique,
rational, frequency,
radio,
centimeter,
cm,
Megacycle.
emission,
interstellar,
rendezvous,
encounter, commonplace, aberrant, predominant,
pristine,
stereotype,
vernacular,
Accommodation.
incumbent,
preliminary,
proposition,
preferential,
Controversial.
Cactus.
termite,
Variant.
barbarian,
pagan,
sophistication, premise,
supernatural,
dispute, subdue,
drainage,
envision,
Morocco.
latitude,
heretic,
conceive, suffice,
nuclear,
Original.
phase, primitive, spray,
essentially,
gifted,
psychologist,
spasm,
feudal, insinuate,
convulsive, illumination,
undo,
Grip.
recuperation,
improvise,
sedulous,
Vivify.
aggravate,
trifling,
gratify,
caprice,
satiation,
frantic, avenge, boredom,
clatter,
appetite,
grudge, absorbing, banish, assumption, maneuver, myriad,
paradox,
cynic,
sociologist,
shun, affluent,
chambermaid,
boo, hotel, snobbery,
Hierarchy.
entail,
inclement,
package,
tour,
insularity,
cater,
exclusively, cosmopolitan, preponderance, overwhelmingly, patronage,
sauerkraut,
Vi.
municipality,
itinerant, heath,
alienate,
eternal,
portfolio,
Tipster.
fritter,
reputable,
Broker.
finance,
Mortgage.
pension,
priority,
Guilt.
convertible, sanguine, heady,
alongside, pedestrian.